Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you love carbonated water and hate wasting money? Well, you can make your own carbonated water with this Aqua Fizz from SodaStream, and you're going to save money and you'll have so much less waste to throw away. I love this entire system that I have from SodaStream. So the Aqua Fizz comes with glass bottles. So not only are you getting your own carbonated water, but you're storing it in reusable glass bottles. It's so simple to use. You just fill the glass bottle to the mark with cold water, insert it according to the instructions, and then you simply press the top and you give it as many presses as you want for how many bubbles you want. So it really takes a little experimentation. Do you want more bubbles or less bubbles? But after some time, you figure out what you like, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And I really love the fact that it takes up a very small amount of space, and you can take it with you anywhere because it doesn't require any electricity. They include 2 quick connect canisters, so right from opening the box, you're ready to make carbonated water. This requires no power and it is completely adjustable. So that means that you can add as much or as little carbonation as you want. You can add flavoring or no flavoring. It is totally adaptable. So if you love the taste and experience of carbonated water, but you don't want to be drinking just any carbonated water, well, you can make your very own at home with this very easy to use machine. This Aqua Fizz is exactly what I was hoping for. You will not be disappointed by this machine from SodaStream. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.